Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and you need to remove or replace side mirror cover, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not very complicated. It takes only a few seconds if you know what you're doing. If you do it the wrong way, you will damage your side mirror cover guys. We'll explain where all your hidden clips are located and how to access them. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistakes people make. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So let's explain how to do that now. We just remove it, so we want to show you guys what to expect now. If you come, okay, it will be really hard for me to show you detail guys, but once we remove it, I'll show you where it's located. Okay, if you come, you can move the mirror a little bit or use the thing. You will have one clip, okay, that will be here on the side, and you can access it with a plastic panel too. Don't use metal ones or a screwdriver, and don't pry on the mirror glass because you will break it. You can pry the clip on this side to the outside. You pry it to the outside here, then on top you will have, okay, you will have one right there on top. You will pry this one up. You have another one later that you access through here on top as well. You pry up, and on the bottom you have one that you pry down. And when you do all that at the same time with a plastic tool, you're going to pry here between the two parts. You hold it, it comes in an angle, and that's where all the clips are located. Now you have one hidden one that you cannot get to. This one, it's almost impossible. So this one, what we notice when you remove it, kind of like try to flip it a little bit sideways, a little bit pull out, and this way, that's how it came out. Now where are the clips? I was talking about this clip right here. Okay, you pry a little bit to the outside and you pull on the cover out at the same time. It goes right here through that hole. Okay, next you're going to have that clip on top here. It goes in that hole. You need to pry it up and pull on the cover, or pry between the two pieces with a plastic tool. Third one is right here, the same thing, and you have the one on the bottom, okay, that goes over there. So this one here, it's not a clip, it's just a guide, okay, and the only thing that I think it was even cracked before, it's that one right here, but you can see it comes out just like that. And we will explain how to install it now. When you're ready to install it, you align everything. That guide right here goes straight, so kind of like going straight. Wipe all the dust from the clips. Okay, start pushing in till everything locks in place. You're ready to go. That's it guys, that's how you do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.